As 2024 approaches, Samsung's unpacking event is approaching, and the much-awaited release of the Galaxy S24 series is drawing near. In contrast, Apple is still selling its 2023 iPhone models with 60Hz displays. Samsung hopes that the Galaxy S24 series will establish a new benchmark for smartphone screens. Unwanted objects may be removed from images, although many people are unaware of this. Samsung was the inventor of the concept. Simply said, Google advertised this product more effectively for the Pixel phones. Samsung and Qualcomm, however, are enhancing this feature with the S24 Ultra by allowing the object eraser to also eliminate unwanted objects from videos. Yes, you heard correctly. It's amazing that you can now take out unwanted individuals, objects, or anything else from your video recording. You may record videos with personalized backdrops with the S24 Ultra. The phone can create whatever background you'd like thanks to some clever generative AI wizardry. Without the inconvenience of a real green screen, it's like having your very own. It's really rather amazing. Picture expansion is essentially the use of AI to enlarge portions of a picture. It resembles what Google demonstrated with the Pixel 8. In related news, Google also unveiled their night mode for videos, which functions much like the night mode for pictures but for videos. In essence, it captures excellent videos in dim light. In difficult lighting conditions, it basically creates detailed videos using long exposure methods. The Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 processor and the S24 Ultra will both have a similar feature. All of this amazing stuff is made possible by the wonders of generative AI. The custom 8 Gen 3 that Samsung is using for the Galaxy is even more powerful than this one. Fascinatingly, Qualcomm describes their visuals as console-defying and claims that their new Unreal Engine can playback game sequences in resolutions as high as 8K. We will undoubtedly learn a ton more details and functionality when Qualcomm eventually makes the chip public in a few days. But for the time being, it seems like the clever generative AI in the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the 8 Gen 3 processor will be a significant advance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.